Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 12th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I'm not happy today, but I still am just chuckling a little bit. Uh, you know, we have had this unbelievable trading in September that in there's actually 7 trading days, and on the close yesterday, I had made $117,000 in on those trades. Every single day we had up till through yesterday was a winning day, and I think we had 3 days of those 7 days. There were well over $20,000 days. That's pretty amazing and unbelievable. And today, I'll get the statistics out of the way. We closed out negative $4,000 in closeout trades. We got into 7 new positions, 3 positive, 4 negative, and we're negative just over $7,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. So it actually wasn't a disastrous day, but it felt like a disastrous day after these 7 spectacular days that we had. I have a couple new customers that came on board right at the beginning of September, and of course, they were watching all this and thought that obviously I had discovered the holy grail in trading systems. And I heard from both of them today, and they were looking at this today's action with disbelief. And I will. I'm not laughing at them, but I'm just a little amused because I've been trading a long time, and I know if you have 7 straight winning days in a row, making $117,000, you got to expect it's not going to keep up, and you're going to have some pullbacks. And we had a pullback today, and I'm certainly not going to look at this and say, "Hey, this is horrible. I made $117,000 in 7 days, and then today we dropped about 11,000, and that's horrible." It isn't horrible. It's absolutely what you would expect. And as a trader, you have to be able to take losses, or you can't. You just can't keep it up. And so I'm not happy about today, but I'm not too disturbed. Yeah, today was absolutely crazy. You can see here on the Dow, it opened up, strong up. And by the way, our open trade equity went from, I don't know what it was, I think it was negative 4,000 yesterday on the close, and on the open this morning, it was positive over 6,000. And I thought, hey, here we go. We're going to have another one of these unbelievable days. And then, just like we have had back a few weeks ago when it's just like everything got worse after the open, that's the way it went today. It went from, you know, positive $6,000 to like everything that could go wrong went wrong today. And you can look here at the Dow. It opens up positive, then it goes negative, then it goes way positive again. By the way, we're very close to all-time highs up here. And then it slipped down to negative again. Then it kind of built up the rest of the day and got back up near those all-time highs again, and then failed the last 2 hours of the day um, in kind of a sell-off. Ended up the Dow closing up officially 45 points, but this pattern is horrible for trading, and it was pretty horrible today. Um, I'm going to show you some of the individual trades in a second, but hey, look at trading's tough, and you just can't, after making all that money 7 days in a row. It will not stay that way. You got to be willing to take losses because the system is good, but it's not fantastic. It's not the holy grail, and our very positive performance comes out of a combination of winning and losing trades. Okay, let's look at some of the individual stuff. By the way, that open of being positive $6,000 was pretty amazing because we had this horrible trade in Catalyst of pharmaceuticals. We had we had exited yesterday with profits, and then we got re-entered with about 2 hours to go, and it closed slightly against us, and then just collapsed here on the open. That trade cost us a negative $11,000. In spite of this terrible open in Catalyst, we were still up $6,000 because we had combined about $6,000 in gold that totally reversed overnight, and that was in JNUG and Nugget, but we did get out of those things, and I'm going to show you just how bad those things went in just a second. So yeah, Catalyst, this really killed us today. $11,000. It's hard to recover from a trade like that. And you know, these, you trade biotech, you're going to get these. And sometimes I've gotten so mad about these types of opens in biotech, I've been tempted just to dump the whole sector. But the thing is, we have them go the other way too. On balance, we still make money in the biotech sector, but this is rough when this happens. Okay, I'll show you another one here. Yeah, I talked about gold. This is what I'm talking about. We had bought Nugget, which is gold mining bull. We bought it yesterday, right before the midday, and then it sold off, and we were pretty seriously negative, this thing, on the close yesterday. Then it jumps up here on the open, and we're up $3,000 in Nugget right on the open. That's when I'm showing that $6,000 profit. And then the thing starts to sell off, and we're stopped out here, but still stopped out with profits of about $600. So we're out of it with a $600 profit. So what? And the thing has this little half-hour rally here. We get re-entered in the stupid thing. And then it collapses. Then it really collapses after it gets us back in. And you can see here how horrible this collapse is. And we're down basically $6,000 in Nugget, the gold mining bull. All right. And just how crazy this is, I just wanted to show you this one. What is this? This is JDST, which is the gold mining bear. Okay, this thing is doing the opposite of what Nugget's doing. It opens way down, but it starts rallying all day, and we end up getting in long the gold mining bear on the last bar of the day, and we're carrying zero profits on that trade. So somehow, with all this crazy action today, we are both long and short gold mining, if you can believe that. So I guess it's going to be pretty hard for us to lose on both of them, but I won't say it couldn't happen. So we had a lousy day, folks. The winning streak, 7 straight in a row, $117,000 was broken today. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow on Friday.